Imagine you own a car that only makes it to its destination 50% of the time. Is this a good car? Absolutely not. You better get a new car if this is the case. There are processes in your vehicle that allow it to reach its destination nearly 100% of the time. Sales is no different. If it only works 50% of the time, we need to fix the system. The Faktori helps with this. We help salespeople develop their skills to follow a process that works, and we help companies increase their sales output. At the Faktori, we have 3 divisions to make this happen. The People Faktori is our recruitment division, designed to help salespeople get hired and companies to build a high-performing team. We help salespeople develop self-awareness using our GEARS process to pinpoint strengths, weaknesses, and fit. And we use our comprehensive DREAMS process to allow the employer and employee to integrate more effectively as a high-performing team. The Skills Faktori is our in-depth sales training designed to sharpen your sales skills. It is created with the goal of helping to make a salesperson consistent in their ability to develop greater results. The Skills Faktori focuses on 4 key areas: understanding people, understand products, understanding performance, and understanding the STAIRS sales process. To build a clear breakdown of all the stages and opportunities within the sales cycle. This training will allow you to understand sales on a visceral level and hit your sales targets. The final division is the Process Faktori, designed for business owners to improve your sales process or the overall strategy within your business. Our team will build a roadmap to develop your people, processes, and technology. Whether to help your company reach new heights or prepare for an acquisition, the Process Faktori will help take your business to the next level. The Faktori was created to help salespeople and business owners improve the key area that determines business success: sales. If you want to skyrocket your career and take your business to heights you can't imagine, get in touch with us today.